English Unleashed, Tools in Talk. Mastering the preposition, with. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving into a very important topic in the English language: the use of prepositions of instrument. More specifically, we're going to tackle how to use the preposition with to indicate the tool or means used to do something. This might seem daunting, but don't worry. With practice, you'll master it in no time. Let's jump right in. A preposition of instrument is used to specify the tool, means, or agent used to achieve something. In English, with is commonly used for this purpose. For example, in the sentence, I write with a pen, with is the preposition of instrument, showing that the pen is the tool used for writing. The preposition with is incredibly versatile. It can represent a broad range of tools or means. Consider these examples. I opened the door with a key. The key is the tool used to open the door. She cooks with a gas stove. The gas stove is the means by which she cooks. Take note that the thing or tool that follows with is typically a noun or noun phrase. Let's dig deeper with more examples. Remember, practice is key. He cut the paper with scissors. The scissors are the tool used to cut the paper. They communicate with sign language. Sign language is the means they use to communicate. Notice that in each of these examples, with is followed by the instrument or tool used to perform the action. The preposition with is not just used with physical tools. It can also refer to abstract means or methods. For instance, she solved the problem with intelligence. Here, intelligence is the means used to solve the problem. They won the game with teamwork. In this case, teamwork is the means that led to their victory. As you can see, the use of with extends beyond just physical tools, showing its great versatility in English language. And that wraps up our lesson on using the preposition with as a preposition of instrument. Remember, it's all about showing the tool or means used to do something. It's a small word, but with carries a lot of weight. Keep practicing these examples and soon, using with to indicate the tool or means will become second nature. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and remember, mastering English is a journey. Until next time, happy learning!